matter, straight hands. I tell you, if you check your Nigerian Naira note, the Naira note for Nigeria, if you check all the money, all the notes, you'll find out say most people, they don't know the name of the pictures and the people in the top of the Naira note. That's why I make I enter street now, because you know how we do on our street hands. Channel 195, start time, Wazobia TV, making not touch it that. Anyhow, when you take play around, know the name of the people in for the Naira note. More find out. Even me myself, I don't remember. Maybe 29, not Avani Koko, Tafawa Balewa, there anyone? Good day. I don't know, Sha. Even me myself. Shebi Jonathan, they won. I know. Buhari. I go finance. I go finance. And for the Naira note, for the Naira note. For Naira note, you know, if you name any of the people who say they did Naira note.
Naira note?
Yes.
I don't understand Naira note.
20 Naira, 100 Naira, 10 Naira.
Oh, okay. I cannot understand.
Yeah, if you call it in.
Well, I can, even if I don't remember, I can still mention Obafemi.
Now, pidgin English. Wazobia TV.
All right. Have you mentioned Obafemi Awolowo?
Obafemi
Awolowo, 100 Naira.
Now that one, you know.
No, Muritala Mohammed, 20 Naira.
20 Naira.
Yes.
You show that one again.
Nnamdi Azikiwe, that's Zano.
Nnamdi Azikiwe, there anyone?
I think.
I never, you dey sure?
Abeg.
You're not too sure?
Don't let me go.
Back in there. Baba, if you help us name them for the Naira note.
Naira note.
The name of the people, the names of the people for Naira note.
From beginning or?
Just the not anyone you remember.
I remember Tafawa Balewa.
For that one, who were in there?
He did inside the 5 Naira.
5 Naira. Well, the next one again, when you know.
Muritala.
For which one in there?
20 Naira.
20 Naira in there.
Abati Macaulay did for 10 Naira.
But Macaulay did 10 Naira.
Yeah.
Which one that one again?
I can say the one way we call Bia Kudi Bia. Kudi Bia Metano. I will remember.
Just right. Now, pidgin English, no worry yourself. I was Wazobia TV.
Yeah, I know. Well, Kudi Bia Naira. Yeah.
Okay, Naira.
3 people they inside the Bia, inside the Wazobia.
Wazobia. Which one be Wazobia? Which not be Wazobia? Now 15 are the
Wazobia.
So 3 people now they inside the Wazobia.
They reach like 3 of us.
Oh,
Woman
okay.
there among.
Woman there among. Why do you put woman there?
I don't know the name, but I know. I try small.
You try. Back it there. It's too much. How far now? How now they? Bro, how far? Good afternoon. Wazobia TV.
Okay, you're welcome.
Yeah. So for the Naira note,
All right.
for the Naira note there, if you remind me of the name of the people in there.
For the Naira note, like Wazobia.
Wazobia. 50 Naira.
Yeah, 950 Naira.
Which be the name of the
Like Mohammed.
Mohammed for sure.
For I think it's 10 Naira something.
20 Naira.
20 Naira.
Which one that one? Which one is 5 Naira?
5 Naira is that is what is it called?
We see they come. We see they see coins.
No, not as
Coins.
no.
If you not get any coins for hand for house.
For more than 5 years, I've
Never see coins.
I've never seen coins.
But why coins not come there?
No. Because the value of money is
Not the high.
it's very high, so coins cannot buy anything.
My brother, I don't worry yourself. Now pidgin English. Now Wazobia TV.
Right.
You understand me? So like the matter straight here on Wazobia TV. My name now MC Shaggy. Make it not touch there. Most of the Naira notes, the names on the Naira notes. Make we just find out, just like that, straight. Akasuma. Wazobia TV man. I don't know this one. I see what you now. No say good man. Mama, the name of the people in there for Naira notes. You still remember them?
I remember Tafawa Balewa. I remember Nnamdi Azikiwe.
Which one Nnamdi Azikiwe did?
I think it's 100 Naira.
100 Naira. Sure.
I'm not there to show.
Out of 5 Naira, which one did 5 Naira?
Tafawa Balewa.
Tafawa Balewa did 5 Naira. 100 Naira, which one did 100 Naira?
Baba Nikoku, is it not 10 naira?
10 naira.
Awolowo.
Which one?
I think it did 100 naira or so.
All right, you're still on the street channels. Wazobia TV for the world where most Nigerians would not forget so many things we don't neglect for this country. But it's not too good. It's not too good. I believe say this woman go know about everything. Madam, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Wazobia TV.
Hey, Wazobia. How are you?
How you doing now?
I dey fine.
You come for market?
Yes, sir.
Confirm. You go buy what children go eat, abi?
Yes.
Ah, now God go bless you.
I'm you.
Hey, mothers, they try you. Madam, for the naira note, for the naira note, them. If you name call the names of the people in the on top of the naira note.
For the naira notes.
Yes.
Nanda Zikiwena.
That one. I don't say you be Igbo woman.
Awolowo.
Nanda Zikiwe, where in the which one in the?
For 100 naira.
100 naira.
I be 500. No, 100 naira. 100 naira.
We 50 seconds, money they
Na 500 in my hand. Though.
check am. Do anything for 500.
Hey, Nanda Zikiwe.
Nanda Zikiwe, 500.
Yes, sir.
All our street on the street channels, Wazobia TV, for the Watch Me Life here, for Bariga area, the Roma things. Make sure say things they go on. Swelele, 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 swelele. Akasuma, Wazobia TV man. Ekairo, me Timo. I say afternoon Dorish. Wazobia TV man. See, the naira notes there when you spend, you know the name of the people when they on top.
I don't know. I don't go school.
No, Mama, you know tell me say no.
No, now when I don't know.
You still get coins. Coins still there, you still get coins.
I don't get you.
You don't get coins again.
Make you see the one waiting for my hand.
Yeah.
I made the move pass in one. Move back in the
Ah, now 100 naira. Ah, I will have 190 for 100 naira. Unam da Zikwe for 500. Which one they 1,000 sef? Nah. Alhaji Aliyu and my Bonu and Dr. Clement. This song, 90 for 1,000 naira. For new note, I will see them for the 100 naira. So that they give them respect because they don't do big thing for this country. They don't do better thing for this country. Which person knows they don't do better for this country?
Which person is it?
Which one?
Go on.
Go on. Farm. I tell you, one Nigeria, pick it there, peace here, peace here. I find out.
I find
You
out.
know Nigeria naira notes them. The naira notes them.
100 naira.
All the naira notes, 100 naira, 500, 200, just like that. What will be the name of the people when they on top?
100 naira. What over did there? 20 naira Zikewe.
20 naira Zikewe.
I don't know again.
Who show that one again?
100 naira note. I don't know. I got it. I got to try my best. I don't know.
Why you go just try?
I don't know.
Where you dey come from?
Murita had from one, but I don't know.
You don't know the way in there.
I don't know what I do.
Where you dey come from?
I dey come for that place.
You go also.
I go also. I also did.
Bad also like. I tell you. Back it there, still on the street chance, Wazobia TV, making not touch it that. I tell you, this one of your street chance, naira notes, this one naira notes, so many things there inside. Make we find out the names like that. For the naira notes where they use now, for the naira notes where they use, all the naira notes, you know any name of the people?
I know any name of what?
The name of the people for the naira notes.
And only one person me I know. Awolowo na I know.
Awolowo?
Yes.
Why you only Awolowo?
Because Awolowo is an sure man.
A sure man.
Yes, and he did straightforward. Yes.
Come. How far now?
Fine, sir.
For the naira note, Nigerian naira note.
Yes.
How many of the names of the people you know?
Me, I know many now.
Call them.
Awolowo,
They for
100 naira. Ziki,
They for Osho.
500 naira.
Who show that one again?
There are many, I say.
They call them now.
There are many Ziki, Awolowo, Tafawa Balewa. Anything, any problem.
I song they inside.
I song.
I song.
I don't know.
Dr. Clement I song.
Okay, it's 1,000 naira.
1,000 naira. Bad guy.
Oh my God.
Still on the
Confirm.
matter street chance. Becky. This woman go know. This woman go know what to come. Now you will find. Madam, come on road. For the Naira note, so our Zobia TV day now, they watch you live now. For the Naira note, push of the name of the people where you know. Nigerian Naira note, 100 Naira, 200, 300, like that.
Azikiwe. Which one?
Which one Azikiwe? Yeah, for the Naira note, Nigerian Naira note. Which of this name of the people you know?
Naira note. Like what? Tafawa Balewa.
Tafawa Balewa did for 20 Naira.
Yes.
Which one that one here?
Nnamdi Azikiwe.
Did for which one?
I don't really know. Nnamdi Azikiwe is also. I don't know.
You don't know? Yeah, which one that one? You don't remember that one again?
Ahmadu Bello. Is Ahmadu Bello there? Ahmadu Bello.
Ahmadu Bello. Did for which one? Ahmadu Bello, which one in there?
I don't think so. I wait.
I tell you, you want check him, eh? Yeah, check him. Check him. Ah, now 100 a day, now.
Chief Obafemi Awolowo.
Yes. Ah, which one they tell
I have 10 naira.
Which one they tell her? Avani Koku. Still on the matter. Straight Yans, Wazobia TV. If they watch me live, they cannot tell you that most of the Naira notes are the name, they record the name of the people and they the Naira notes. Most Nigerians don't forget. They don't forget so many for the country. You know, remember the last time I asked national anthem, most people don't read the national anthem. But today again, why be so we forget so many things about this country? Everybody just use the function money.
I see you, Wazobia people.
Me self, I see.
Let me greet you.
Who you want greet again?
I want greet OBJ.
Diplomatic OBJ.
And Tweet.
This is MC Shaggy live from Wazobia TV.
And this is Sandra. MC Sandra.
Yeah. And Sandra, I'm gonna know this quickly. For the Naira note, for the Nigerian Naira note, for the Nigerian Naira note, which of the name of the people I remember?
Hey.
Which one? Call any name.
Any name? Nnamdi Azikiwe.
Which one need it?
500. 500 naira.
Yes. So now you're on the Super TV. So now you be this. Okay. Now you're grandpa.
All right, still on the matter straight as Wazobia TV. All right, if you watch me live, so many. Afan, how you doing?
I'm fine.
Wazobia TV. You say no fish on me, oh. I don't die. What is the name of the people in there? What color am I like? What is the name? Why not? But you know, say you must collect the money.
I know. Money is important now.
Money is what?
Money is important.
Money is.
Say you want to do. I don't sabi anything.
Okay, how far now? How you doing? You know the name of the people in there for Naira note?
So that people with the carry father they go.
Now Wazobia TV, Kuda. Mumba, Wazobia TV. Swear to the there for the. Madam, you know about. Madam, come by now. Come by. All right, you stand. Now Wazobia TV, they watch us live for Wazobia TV. What is your name?
My name is Ifeanyi.
Ifeanyi Odumedu is my name. Ifeanyi Pekerekus.
It's my name.
Ifeanyi Kukus.
I see you.
All right, you are still on the street here, Wazobia TV. Make you not touch that. Ifeanyi, call the names of the people when they for the Nigerian Naira note. We know say Moitala Mohammed Day. We know say Muetara Mohammed.
Awolowo dey there.
Awolowo dey which one? 400 abi.
Obafemi dey there.
Wait, Obafemi.
Awolowo.
The which one you know?
Muritala.
What am dey for me?
Mohammed, dey Ebute Meta now.
Ebute Meta.
Yeah.
Okay, Ebute. All right, in the cage, abi. Okay, now. Which other one again? You remember? The song that one. They for. Bring her, come. Bring her, check out. That one. Wait till me. That one. Dr. Clement, his song. Which other one again? There be two and there. Why you dey run?
Alhaji Ali.
Alhaji Ali mi dey there.
Obafemi Awolowo for 100 naira. Which other one again dey your hand? You get 500 there. Which one dey there? That one go be Tafawa Balewa now.
Yes, Tafawa Balewa.
Okay, this one na Wazobia. Wazobia, the whole tribe for Nigeria, they inside 15 naira. Yeah. Which other one again? 500. Nnamdi Azikiwe na. Nnamdi Azikiwe, doctor. Now your pa.
And my godfather.
Yeah, godfather. 20 naira. Who get 5 naira here? Nobody get 5 naira here. You know the whole 5 naira. 5 naira. This is Alhaji Sir Abubakar Tafawa Balewa. Yes. All right, you're still on the matter street. Yes, now like this, I tell rapper up for today. Watch us live for channel 195. Still on the matter. Back it there. Make it not. If you touch that.